Let's now about how to secure photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy A54. We know how valuable it is to keep your personal photos, videos, files, and apps in a secure location. That's why your Galaxy device includes a powerful feature called Secure Folder, designed to help you store what's most private with advanced protection. Don't skip the video. If you miss any step, then maybe you face some difficulties to set up a secure folder. You can lock your secure folder with a passcode or biometric security for an added layer of defense. To create your own secure folder, start by signing into your Samsung account. Set your preferred lock type and follow these steps. Step 1. Open Settings and select Biometrics and Security. Step 2. After that, tap on Secure Folder. Step 3. When you select the secure folder, then select Continue, then log into your Samsung account or create a new one. Step 4. Now review the permissions needed for secure folder, and if you're okay with them, tap Continue. Step 5. Choose your lock type by selecting from Pattern, PIN, or Password options, or enable fingerprints for easy access. Step 6. After selecting the lock type, then set your chosen pattern, PIN, or password and confirm it by repeating the process. Step 7. Optionally, enable the Reset with Samsung Account toggle, allowing you to change the lock type later if needed. Step 8. Once set up, you'll see a secure folder icon added to your app screen for quick access. Now you're ready to keep your private content secure and within reach. Thanks for watching, and for more videos, like, share, and subscribe.